Audio Jungle.
Production takes place at Mercedes plant in Bremen, Germany, where the previous generation was built. The plant is one of Mercedes' biggest, producing around 400,000 vehicles annually. With several new electric Mercedes-Benz models, especially of the sport utility variety, debuting with new names, it's sometimes easy to forget vehicles with model names that have barely changed in decades. But the Mercedes-AMG SL class, which has always had long product cycles and will now be an AMG model exclusively, is about to enter a new generation. Stuttgart is keeping a tight lid on the next-gen model. It replaces an SL class that debuted almost 10 years ago and arrived in an automotive landscape that still seems recent but is growing increasingly unrecognizable. And the 2023 model will also arrive in what is a different time in the industry, facing much more diverse competition. Designing and engineering an all-new SL class every 10 years or so sounds more daunting than many other Mercedes models with shorter shelf lives because the SL class has to stay competitive and relevant for a much longer time, necessitating a clean sheet design. That's exactly where Mercedes-AMG engineers began in crafting the new model, starting with a new body shell that will use new materials, all while staying true to the recipe of the line dating back over half a century. The next-gen SL class body shell, shown in these photos for the first time, will offer an 18% torsional stiffness gain compared to the outgoing model, as well as transverse rigidity 50% higher compared to the AMG GT Roadster thanks to a number of technologies and materials, including new fiber composites. The new body shell will use materials as diverse as magnesium, aluminum, hot-formed steel, and a composite made of glass fibers and carbon, used for a front module cover bridge. Speaking of weight, Mercedes says the total weight of the pure body shell without the trunk, hood, and doors will be just 595 pounds, while achieving a 40% greater longitudinal rigidity than the AMG GT Roadster. With the exception of the entry-level SL43, which comes with a 375 horsepower turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4, the SL models are powered by a twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8 borrowed from the GT sports car. In the SL55 the engine makes a stout 469 horsepower, but upgrading to the SL63 boosts that figure to a thundering 577 ponies. Compared to the previous SL, Mercedes boasts increased torsional stiffness of 18% and a lower center of gravity. As a result, the SL is a lot more performance-focused than in past generations. Don't forget to subscribe, like and leave me a comment to tell me how you found the car.